Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in the Flowery Branch Tequila area this morning. I'm going to do a quick walk through. This carpet's actually in pretty good shape. Just went on the market today. Today is Monday. They have an concern with the area right through here. The dog is a little older. It's having more accidents, specifically in this living room. But they're treating with, they're cleaning up with the proper stuff, so you don't see a lot of black or brown spots in here. Plus, there's also not an odor, which is always a plus. So we got the living room here. We got a set of stairs going down to the basement, which appear to be in really good shape. Then we have the stairs going up. And then there are basically 6 areas upstairs. We've got 5 bedrooms and a hallway up here. Most of the rooms are in pretty good shape. We got the master closet. As you can see, we've already got the towels out at the transition areas. So once the carpet's damp, we don't track all over the hard surfaces, the non-carpeted surfaces. There's a bedroom here, secondary bedroom here. There's a media room, which is actually a bedroom, up here. Never seen anybody do a media room like a bedroom. This is kind of nice. Definitely different. Has a bathroom. Not that we're doing it. And then we've got 2 bedrooms down here. And it's about 9:15. This will probably take us about an hour and a half or so. There is a pink spot in this room here that is more than likely not going to come up. It's very faint. As you can see, homeowner said she's tried multiple things to try to clean it with, and so if it's not set in, which it probably is, it probably wouldn't come out anyway. She does not know what it is, which is certainly not uncommon. So this is a $360 job. We'll get it done, and then we'll shoot an after video here momentarily. Okay guys, it's about 10:50. Just wrapped up. Not much to see on the stairs. Like I said, this carpet was in pretty decent shape. Before we cleaned it, there were some spots across the high traffic area there from the elderly dog. Those are all taken care of. So we did just finish up this $360 job. Started a little after 9. It is almost basically 11. Everything did come out as expected, I guess I should say. There's the master, the secondary, the media bathroom, or media bedroom. Cut the lights off. Leave the fans on. Yeah, so there was a big spot right here. This bedroom that came right out. Pink. Did as expected. Fans are all on high. Help with drying. As I've mentioned before, OMG Carpet Cleaning, there's no per spot fees, no upsells, no trip charge, no fuel charge, things of that nature. It's all included. Uh, 404-500-9853 on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Carpets, rugs, upholstery, hardwoods, laminate. We also put people in the carpet cleaning business. So if you're looking to start an extremely lucrative business without the hassle and or the maintenance of a truck mount, the hassle, the maintenance, and the expense of a truck mount, I guess I should say, we do put people in the business. We offer consulting to help you stay in business, get business, etc., etc. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. It's been a while since we did a video. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Until next time, be kind to one another.